did you put that on your vision board?
This is my happy place.
I gotta start planning the Thanksgiving menu.
You there? The gala's about to start for the Hummingbird Codex unveiling. I want your security team in place.
Please, not this today.
Let's go!
Another day, another divorce.
All right, team. Tonight's a big night, so nobody fuck it up. You, Johnson. How's the Codex? Ready for its entrance?
Roger that. It's in position, and the display case hover tech is green.
Good. I love this tech.
Thank you for coming here this
I'm gonna check in with the boss.
We are
Antonio's
honored
speech should be wrapping up.
Join us for this very special celebration. Now, the
Bravo, team. How's it hanging?
Fine.
In my heart.
I saw that. Just
I
kidding.
was a young
Relax.
intern at the National Museum in Mexico. And of course, thanks to each and every one of you. Your donations tonight will benefit the international effort to end illegal traffic of stolen antiquities.
Mr. Marshall, how was your evening, sir?
Fine, fine. But I don't see our guest of honor. Where's my Hummingbird Codex?
They'll be escorting it in any moment.
That's what I like to hear. Have you met Myra Starr? She's on the Marshall Board of Directors.
How do you do, ma'am?
Quite well. So, you're Atticus's new hotshot.
That's what it says on my ID badge.
Oh, talented and confident.
Reminds me of a younger me. Now, what say we celebrate? Go get yourself a drink.
Yes, sir.
I can feel our stock rising at this very moment.
What do you think you're doing? You don't drink on duty.
I'm following orders. Atticus told me to celebrate.
Of course he did. You want a word of advice? Watch your step around Atticus. He only sees results.
No problem. That's what I give him.
Uh-huh.
Hey, what happened to not drinking on duty?
I'm not on duty.
Donate what you want, dear. We'll have the accountant write it off.
Hey, Nina. I'm on the job right now.
That's why I'm calling. Los Panteros are about to try to take the Codex back.
What? Are you sure?
Yes, I'm driving getaway. I'd have called sooner, but I wasn't alone.
Fuck. When?
Nina, get off your phone. We're going in.
Shit!
What the hell are Los Panteros doing here?
I've got it under control.
You glad you had that drink now?
Maybe.
This is Sergio. Panteros. Bring me the Codex. Everyone else, stay the fuck out of my way.
Oh, shit balls.
We got a security breach. Panteros are in the Paleolithic exhibit. Panteros on level 3.
Increase the guard on the Codex. I can handle this.
Fuck! I'm so jacked up right now.
Hey, Nina. I'm on the job right now.
That's why I'm calling. Los Panteros are about to try to take the Codex back.
What? Are you sure?
Yes, I'm driving getaway. I'd have called sooner, but I wasn't alone.
Fuck. When?
Nina, get off your phone. We're going in.
Shit!
What the hell are Los Panteros doing here?
I've got it under control.
You glad you had that drink now?
Maybe.
Find cover! This is Sergio. Panteros. Bring me the Codex. Everyone else, stay the fuck out of my way.
Oh, shit balls.
We got a security breach. Panteros are in the Paleolithic exhibit. Panteros on level 3.
Increase the guard on the Codex. Fun times. God, I hope Nina's not in this mess.
Eat it! Enough of this shit! I'm out!
I can handle this.
Where is my head of security?
Right here, Mr. Marshall.
Get this under control. It's an embarrassment to the company.
Right away, sir.
Oh, for real?
Secure the Codex. I'll get Atticus out of here.
Hey, I'm in charge here. You get Atticus out of here, I'll secure the Codex.
Uh-huh.
Taking you down! Gonna find you.
Nice one. Taking a shortcut through the Cretaceous exhibit. Someone get eyes on the Codex.
You nuts? That place is full of Panteros.
It's faster. I can handle them.
Wealthy parasites of Santo Eliso.
The idols have come to save you from yourselves.
Make no mistake, we will take the Codex.
We will kill you all.
We will bring the gift of anarchy to Santo Eliso.
We are the idols.
Fear us.
Idols too? Thanks for the heads up, Kev. What happened to the roommate code? Ugh! Ah!
What a fine monument to greed you've built. The oppressors drink and laugh, while the enslaved clean up their table scraps. Your so-called society is a failed experiment. It's time to put it to an end. Time to wash it away. Time to make some noise. Get ready for a whole new world with no pharaohs, no gods, no idols, but us.
Tool. Do that. Fun times.
God damn it, the idols are here too! There's too many of them!
We lost Perkins.
Attention, valued guests. The museum
Come with me if you want to stay alive.
for the gift shop. For your
We need backup! The idols are everywhere!
Jesus Christ, these psychos keep coming.
attention, valued guests. Please exit through the gift
I'm almost at the Codex. Anyone got eyes on it?
The idols are in the Codex room. I'm trying to... Ah! Where are they?
Gotta reload! I'm dead.
valued guests. Please exit through the gift gift shop. For your safety and security, please exit the building immediately. Attention.
Shake that poop out your pants
The
and
museum
follow
is
me.
now closed. Please exit through the gift shop. Please remain calm and follow the lighted signs to the nearest exit. Attention, valued guests. The museum is now closed.
Get the fuck away from there!
Nothing can stop the collection.
Moving in!
They have no chance.
I'm gonna blow you up!
Gwen, I've got the codex.
I've secured Atticus. I need to find the rest of the board.
I'll get the codex to the safe room. How the fuck do I move it?
Your martial ID triggers a sensor. It'll move on its own as long as you stay close.
Got it.
Access granted. Emergency transport initiated. Hover systems re-engaging.
Nice one.
Hover systems re-engaging. Recalculate. Moving to safe room.
I'll find you!
Hover systems re-engaging. Waiting for escort. Hover systems re-engaging.
Don't move.
Where's the system?
Hover systems re-engaging.
Come through!
I've got the codex. Approaching the safe room. I need backup. This thing's getting buggy. Do that.
Hover systems re-engaging. Waiting for escort. Resuming safety protocol.
What the fuck?
Blow it!
Waiting for escort.
Shit. Codex is still up there. Fucking hover tech. Somebody report. I got separated from the codex. Anyone have eyes on it?
Negative! I got nothing! It's just chaos here!
Damn it. The door's blocked. I need something to bust through that gate. Gunpowder. Replica. Damn it. Room's a dead end. Dynamite. Oh, shit. It's fake. Busted RPG? No fixing that. Rocket? Need something to fire it with. I have an idea. Shit, that worked.
The three-way goddamn firefight! We need backup! Panteros and Idols are all over us! Panteros and Idols are going at it!
And now I'm in a crossfire!
Okay, I've rounded up half the board. We're moving into the... What the...
Martial monsters. Steal from me.
Is that Sergio?
Let's go, motherfucker! Yeah!
Gwen? Gwen! Fun times.
I'm gonna throw you up!
You think Los Pancheros can stop us?
Whoa! This'll snap you like a twig! Get in on this! Getting out of hand!
Even Sergio is afraid to move.
Where you hiding, rat?
Snap out of it! I need a meat shield. Oh, too easy.
Whew. That is one big asshole.
Gwen, you're alive.
Don't celebrate yet. Sergio got away. I got most of the board locked down, but I can't find Myra Starr.
Copy. I'll keep an eye out for her. Grab those bootstraps and pick yourself up. No chance.
We fight as one!
Is that a fucking minigun? Professional! Thank fuck!
Someone help me.
Miss Star? Hang on, I'll cover you.
Oh God, it's you.
Better find cover. I'll hold him off. Oh, that was gold. No fucking way am I letting Sergio take that codex back.
Hey, you okay?
I am fucking peachy.
Sergio's ordering Los Panteros to fall back.
Did he get the codex?
No, and he's pissed. I gotta drive. See you at home.
Gotta reload! You can come out, Miss Star. It's safe.
Thank you. Thank you so much. You are really good at this.
It's not my first time shooting up a place with a minigun, ma'am. Just the first time people are happy I did it.
How the fuck did this happen?
Shit. What's going on, sir?
You.
Sir, I know I made a little mess protecting the museum, but we have to look at the big picture. The threat's been neutralized, Miss Star is safe, and as you can see, the codex is secure.
A mess? Yes, there is a goddamn mess.
I don't understand.
Well, you were wasting time with her. The idol stole the codex and replaced it with a fake.
Sir, I wasn't wasting time. I was saving—
Do you think I give a shit if Myra Star lives or dies?
Atticus.
You are replaceable. You are replaceable. That was not.
Sir, I can lead a team to retrieve the codex.
The hell you can. You're fired.
What?
You're done. If I see you on Marshall property again, I'll have you shot. We'll make this right, Antonio. I promise.
Thank you. I am sorry.
Hey, I just got word that the idols are planning on attacking the museum.